Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel. Today, I am going to continue with our very popular series regarding the Ayurvedic medicinal plants. Nearly very important 30 plants I am going to discuss in this series. Of course, all other plants also I will discuss at some other time. But to begin with, I have made a program of 30 important Ayurvedic medicinal plants, scientific discussion in English language. So today's plant is Gokshuru, that is Gokharu or Gokshur. This is a very important plant in our medical general practice for the different health problems. So patients or the common man also can hear this information very carefully. Myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. My WhatsApp number is 92268106330. So let us start to discuss about this particular very interesting plant, that is Gokshur. Can you see the thorns? Thorns are there. So it's very interesting plant. Synonyms. I am always telling you that synonyms are useful to understand sometimes the structure, sometimes we understand the properties, and sometimes we understand the action of the plant. So for example, Shwa Danshtra. Why this name Danshtra? Because thorn-like teeth of a dog. Thorns are, can you see these particular thorns? Thorns are looking like the teeth of a dog. That is why Shwa means dog and Danshtra means the teeth. Trikantaka, also named, which indicate the structure. So it is indicating the thorns on that particular plant. Okay. Gokshuru, the name Gokshura derives from the appearance of the fruit, which resembles the cloven hoof of a cow. Go means cow. Kshura, cloven hoof of a cow. That is why the name Gokshura. Okay. So Gokshur, its Latin name Tribulus Terrestris. Latin name is Tribulus Terrestris. Long herb is there. Fruits are very important, which we use in our medical practice. Rasa, Vipak, and Virya. Rasa means taste. Vipak means post-digestive effect. And Virya means potency. Guna means properties. Madhura and Tikta. Madhura means sweet. Tikta means bitter. Vipak is Madhur, that is sweet. Virya, cooling down. Thanda, thanda, cool, cool. Cooling effect is there. And property is Guru, nourishes. What is meant by Guru? It is always nutritious or nourishes. Snigdha, having some oily content, fat content, and which is also having some potential value to increase the calorie level and lubricating action. Shita Virya, cooling down the inflammatory and irritating pathology in the body. Okay, next, effects on the Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Dhatu, Srotasa. Dosha effects, bioenergies. Vata, Pitta, and Kapha balancing all the three doshas. So, Tridosha Shamak. Tridosha Shamak. Primarily, it controls the Vata bioenergy. It balancing the Vata disturbances. Okay. Dhatu, it acts on Rasa Dhatu, Rakta Dhatu, that is blood, Mausa Dhatu, muscle tissue, Medha Dhatu, adipose tissue, and Majja Dhatu, nervous system. Srotas, it acts on Mutra Vaha Srotas, urinary tract. Majja Vaha Srotas, nervous system. Shukra Vaha Srotas, reproductive system. And Prana Vaha Srotas, that is respiratory system. This is the what is called as a Samana Pratyarabdhatva Dravya. Very complicated word, I understand. There are two types of the medicines or the herbs, Samana Pratyarabdhatva and Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva. Samana Pratyarabdhatva means their rasa, vipak, virya, and action are all linear, correlated with each other. And what is Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva? Rasa is different, virya is different, action is different. Rasa, vipak, virya, action not correlated, Vichitra Pratyarabdhatva. But this is Samana Pratyarabdhatva Dravya. Effects, Madhur Rasa and Madhur Vipak, balancing the Vata dosh, but little bit increase in the Kapha level in the body. Madhuras and Shitavirya controls the Pitta dosha also. So it is three dosha Shamaka, best Rasayana, best for immunity, best for Vyadhi Pratikara Kshamata. Madhuras and Madhuravipak, nourishing action. Rasa, that is body fluids, and Shukra Dhatu, that is semen and regenerative fluids, are nourished by this particular use of this plant. So this is the best Rasayana plant. Due to its Madhura Rasa and Madhura Vipak, Gokshur increases Kled, watery waste part of the body, which is called as a Kled in Ayurveda. That is carried through the urine. What is the function of urine in according to Ayurveda? Mutrasya Kled Vahanam. Mutrasya Kled Vahanam. Kled is a watery waste part of the body. So it increases the urinary output. Gokshur is very useful in Madhyama Marga pathology. Ayurveda has explained the three different parts of the body which is having important in different diseases. For example, Abhyantara Marga, which is basically related with the GI tract. Atisar, Chardi, loose motions and vomiting. This is Abhyantara Marga. Then second is Bahya Marga, connected with the muscles and the blood and all these things, skin. And last is a Madhyama Marga, which is mainly concerned with the brain, heart, etc., very important organs and the deep structures of the body, that is Madhyama Marga pathology. Gokshur specifically acts on the Madhyama Marga diseases where the organs like Shira, brain, cranial, and head region is involved, Hridaya, that is heart problem, Basti, kidney or urinary bladder region, Marama, vital points, Asthi, bones, and Sandhi, joints. Whenever the pathology is in the Madhyam Marga, Gokshur is the best Rasayana. Indications: number one, Mutra Krichra, difficult urination, dysuria, painful micturition, burning micturition, that is called as a Mutra Krichra in Ayurveda. Mutrashmari, urinary calculus, and Prameha, that is Apatarpanajanya. Apatarpanajanya, whenever the patient is having undernourishment, weight loss, Ojakshaya, then Gokshur is important. Gokshur is Karya or the pharmacodynamics. Gokshur stimulate the Bhautika Agni. Try to understand. There are three levels of Agni or the digestion fire. One is the Jatra Agni, central fire in the GI tract. Then Dhatvagni at the tissue level, and Panchabhutagni, which digest the five basic elements Prithvi, Jala, Tej, Vayu, and Akash component in the food. So it basically acts on the Bhutagni level, that is fire for elemental metabolism, and it stimulates the Agni of Prithvi and Jala. Earth and water molecules are basically having the good metabolic process because of the Gokshur. Vitiation of this Agni causes all urinary conditions mentioned before. Hence, the Gokshur is very effective in urinary tract problems. Gokshur Amaik Prayog or therapeutical effect. The Gokshur decoction with sugar or honey is used in dysuria or painful micturition, which is sometimes going from loin to groin, which is mostly associated with calculus, Mutrashmari. Gokshura Churna plus Varunadi Kadha is given in the urinary calculus or Mutrashmari. In hematuria, Gokshur is used in the form of Kshira Pak. Remember, whenever there is a blood in the urine, Gokshur should be used with cooked in the milk. Milk preparation should be used. Gokshur Amaika, another therapeutic uses, Gokshur eliminates the body clay, that is watery waste, through the urine. Hence, it is used with Gugulu in conditions like Vata Rakta, gout, or vascular inflammation. Gokshur is used in Mutra Ghat, that is anuria. It is in the Prameha, that is urinary problems, and Menorrhea and Menorrhagia, that is Pradara, white discharge also, red discharge, excessive red bleeding, menstrual bleeding, then you can definitely use the Gokshur. Gokshur, how it is useful in the Prameha, Prakarshena Mehati iti Prameha. Prameha is not all the time only diabetes. Many urinary conditions, pathological conditions are included according to Ayurveda in Prameha. Madhumeh is one of the type of the Prameha. In Prameha, where the vitiation of kapha and watery component in the body, like Med, there is excessive accumulation of the fatty tissue because of excessive accumulation of kleda, Mausavah Sutras. Kleda is, whenever there is a kleda formation in these two dhatus, Maus and Med, the Gokshur, by its cleansing effect and Rasayana action, shows very interesting effects on whenever there is a problem with dyslipidemia, fat problem, or muscular problems, then definitely Gokshur is helpful. In diabetes mellitus, like Madhumeha, excessive kleda sanchiti is the main factor in pathogenesis, especially in apatarpana janya madhumeha. This sentence is very important. Diabetic patients are of two types. One is overnutrition, overweight problems, and another, the patients are not so well built. Their weight is normal, but there is ojakshaya in these weak patients, in the debilitated patient, in these low weight people. So whenever diabetic patient is low weight, there is a ojakshaya, dhatu kshayajanya vata prakop, then Gokshur is useful. In this particular kleda indicates that there is a dhatvagni mandya. And what is dhatvagni mandya? Defective fatty tissue metabolism. Dhatvagni mandya, defective fatty metabolism. Gokshur is used in the prameha. Kleda can be thrown out to the urine because mutrasya kleda vahanam is a main function. Gokshur helps in this particular action. When a kleda gets reduced, or during this process, simultaneously bitter drugs can also be given. Okay. Dhatvagni mandya, to improve the tissue fire, Chandra Prabha tablet, which contains the Shilajit, another rasayan, and Gokshuradi Guguru. These are the two important drugs in the patients of Dhatvagni mandya. This combination is very well used. Gokshur is a rasayan. Diabetic patients, you can see the different complications. Like, for example, diabetic neuropathy, tingling numbness of the hands and legs. Diabetic retinopathy, the patient all of a sudden gets blindness. Then diabetic nephropathy, kidney gets damaged, chronic renal failure. When this pathology is of degenerative type, dhatu kshayajanya vata prakop is there, then Gokshur acts as a rejuvenation tonic or rasayana drug. There is ready-made available rasayan churna in the market, which contains, I have given ashwagandha, Gokshur and guduchi are the main ingredients of rasayana churna, which can be taken 1 to 2 teaspoons in the morning in the rasayana kal during the breakfast. There is ashwagandhadi churnavati. Write down this name. Ashwagandhadi churnavati is nothing but the tablet form of this rasayan churna. Tablet form of rasayan churna. What is that name? Ashwagandhadi churnavati. Not only ashwagandha churnavati. Ashwagandhadi, adi means etc. Gokshur, it basically acts on the shukra vaha srotas, reproductive system. Can you see the two husband and wife? These sperms are there, spermatozoa are there. If they are oligodospermia, azospermia, weight loss is there, ojaksha is there, then definitely you can go for Gokshur tablet. Gokshur is used in sexual and reproductive problems like oligodospermia, azospermia, normal count. Yes, 120 millions per cubic mm, normal sperm count. If the count is less than 40, less than 20 millions per cubic mm, Gokshur is there. It can also be used in clavia, erectile dysfunction, loss of libido. Gokshur, by improving the quality of shukra because of the Madhuras and Madhurvipak, show the action on these particular problems. Gokshur is used as a garbhasthapana. Gokshur is balya, tonic, strong. Bruhana, nourishing. Weight will get automatically increase. Muscle strength will automatically increase. So, nourishing to the uterine muscles. Useful in the miscarriages or abortions due to the infantile or underdeveloped uterus. Gokshur is used with ashwagandha, shatavari, and Yashti Madhu. Different products of Gokshur, Gokshur Kalpas. Number one, Gokshur capsule is available. One in the morning, one in the evening before meal as a urinary antiseptic. Gokshura the Guggulu, you can use 2 tablets 3 times in a day in the conditions of dysuria, low backache, scrotal pain, urinary calculus with Varuna Adi Kadha 3 TSF with warm water. Rasayana Churna, as I have mentioned, it can be used in the diabetes to prevent the complications and usually used an adjuvant drug. A dose 1 to 2 teaspoon in the morning in the Rasayan Kala. Gokshura Kadha is also available. It is a decoction and is used in the Mutrakrich, dysuria, Mutraghat, that is anuria, 4 teaspoon with equal amount of water. Dashamularist, 10 important roots, Bilva, Agniman, Shonak, Patla, 10-2, Shaliparni, Prashniparni, Bruhati, Kantakari, Gokshu. One of the ingredient is Gokshu. So Dashamularist is also best analgesic in Ayurveda. So Gokshur Ghanavati is available for you. Himalaya tablet, Gokshur tablets are available. Gokshur Adi Guggulu is also available. Gokshur Kadha is also available. Gokshur Varunadi combination Kadha is also available from Jiva. Dashamularishta from Sandu company is very nice. So my dear friends, this is all about today regarding the Gokshur Ayurvedic medicinal plant. But these are all educational videos. So वैधानिक इशारा disclaimer, कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना जरूरत है. But if you are having some problems like repeated urinary tract infections, urinary calculus, infertility, miscarriage, abortion, X problems, then definitely you can come to us at Ayurveda Academy. We have the team of doctors and we will treat you best. But you have to WhatsApp only for paid online consultation on 9226810630. My dear friends, also I request that please like this video, thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to boost my energy, because I am going to prepare thousands of videos regarding very nice scientific but simple explanation. So also do not forget to press the bell icon. I wish you all the best. Take care, and then we will meet in the next plant. Thank you very much. Take care.